My name is Cindy Mattingly, and I'm the owner of Healing Way Center. And today, my friend Karen is here, and she's going to be talking about her May 18th workshop about opening the heart. So tell us more, Karen.
This workshop is going to be focused on the heart chakra, which is the largest energy center in the body. It's 5,000 times stronger than the brain, and it mediates basically all of our life experience. We contact the world through the heart chakra. So the more we're in charge of the energy of the heart chakra, we can improve our lives, our health, our relationships, whether those are personal or professional. And in the workshop, we're going to be doing lots of different exercises and techniques to help you master the energy of the heart chakra. Today we're going to show you a very quick, simple, easy one. It's one that you may do longer when you actually practice it than we'll be doing here, but you'll begin to get some of the idea.
Wonderful. All right.
Okay. Close your eyes and bring your attention behind your eyes. Imagine a spot that you begin to breathe from, drawing the breath towards you and releasing it from you. The exact spot is not as important as that you have an internal focal point. Let your breath drop down into the chest. And imagine a circle 4 to 5 inches in diameter in the center of the chest. And just notice how that feels. You're not trying to change anything, just notice how it feels. And then cross your left ankle over your right. And now the opposite. The right wrist over the left. Put your tongue behind your teeth. And just focus on the breath. Breathing into the heart space. Letting yourself just settle into that experience rather than thoughts about it. And then you can let yourself come back into normal awareness, uncrossing everything and opening your eyes when you're ready.
Wow. Little flattery at the beginning and then quiet. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So that's a little preview of Karen's workshop that's coming up May 18th. I'm going to do this exercise that she taught me today for 30 days and I'll report back. So see you guys soon.